So today I'm going to be filming a get ready with me. I'm going to a spring christening, my cousin's spring christening, which is today. I don't think I'm going to be talking this much through the video, only because my neighbour is actually snippering the grass edges in the backyard and it's quite loud. I don't know if you can actually hear it. I've got all the windows closed and everything, so I think what I'll do is just announce what I'm going to be doing and then just put some music over it. I think that's going to be the best way. So if you're interested in seeing how to get a simple look for a christening but not too simple, then let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to be doing is starting off with foundation, and I'm going to be using the Pat McGrath Skin Labs Skin Fetish Foundation. And I'm actually in the shade light medium 10, so I'm just giving that a bit of a shake. Putting around about a pump to start off with. Whoops, it's so liquidy. That's just literally run all the way down my fingers. So I'm gonna do another pump. And this is such a beautiful foundation because not only is it medium to full coverage, so long lasting and flawless, really it is. Damp beauty sponge, work that foundation into the skin. It's pretty much a moisturizer, probiotic moisturizer, and I put this on over my face before I put on the foundation. Next I'm going in with the Hourglass Vanish Concealer. This is in the shade Apricot, and I'm blending that through with the Damp Beauty Sponge. And over the eyelid. This is truly one of my most favourite concealers to use. It is one of my top 5 concealers, which I do have a video on. I think the neighbours actually stopped. Yay! I'm going to be doing some contouring. I'm going to be just, actually, should I do the eyes first? I think, let's do the eyes. Let's get into it. I'm going to be using 2 products by Auric. I've got the Temper Shadow and the Ego Shadow by Samantha Ravindell. This is her brand. And the Ego shade is this gorgeous metallic grey shade. That's Ego. And then we've got the gorgeous shade here called Temper, which is like a rose gold shade. And I'm going to be using both of the shades together, and that's Temper. I'm going to be just dipping in my ring finger and putting on this gorgeous, beautiful shade all over the eyelid. I like to use my finger rather than a brush, because I find that my finger works best with this type of formula. It's just a cream shadow, but I just find the finger gives it the best impact. Isn't that pretty? I'll do this eye off camera. Doing a bit of eyelining, so this is my Too Faced Better Than Sex Kitten eyeliner. I'm just going to be doing a little wing. Now just let that dry down. You just let it dry down a little because you don't have the wet eyeliner causing a mark over the top part of the eyelid there. Now just using a brown eyeliner pencil. This is the shade Rich Hazel by Wayne Goss. I'm just lining the upper rim of the eyelid. And then lining inside the lower rim. Pretty much so that it looks like that. With the Temper shade, there is a sparkling shadow that comes with it. So this is actually the sparkle shadow that is with the Temper cream eyeshadow. And I'm going to be using my pinky just to put the sparkle over that grey cream shadow. So just right in the center. If you really wanted to, you could take that sparkling shadow right over the brow bone as well. Why not? Okay guys, so that's what it's looking like at the moment. I'm going to do this eye up to scratch, and then I'm going to be applying some Wonder Wand Ciate mascara, and I'll be back to show you the eyes, and then we'll get on with the rest of the face. Okay guys, so the mascara has been applied on the top and bottom lashes, and what we're going to be doing is the inner eyes. I forgot to highlight the inner corner of the eyes, so I'm just going to be using a little highlighting brush. And I've got the Dior Backstage palette. This is in the shade Pure Gold. Pure Gold. And I'm going to be dipping into this really beautiful, these two shades here. These two shades there to do the inner corner of the eyes. Oh, that's so beautiful. There we go. So these are the eyes all done. And now it's time to do some contouring. But I'm actually not going to be just doing plain old contouring. I'm going to be just using a simple bronzer to contour and bronze at the same time. The palette that I'm going to be using for bronzing is the Bronze Your Way palette by Essence. And I'm going to be dipping into the shade here called Tropical Bronze. And just bronzing and warming up the face. Bit on the nose. There we go. Bit under the chin. Then for blush, I'm using the Mecca Max Pinky Promise blush, which I'm totally obsessed with. I can't get enough of this color. It's absolutely beautiful. It's your perfect Barbie pink. And I'm just going in with my Real Techniques blush brush. Apples of the cheeks. Now with the highlighting palette by Dior, which is this one here, I'm going to be highlighting the top of the cheekbones, and the shade that I'm going to be using is this shade down here on the bottom right. I'm just going to do some highlighting on the top of the cheekbones to the tail end of the brow. Yeah, that's really, really, really pretty, I think. Now you can go ahead and set your face with setting spray, but I'm confident that this makeup's going to last, so I'm not going to be doing any setting spray. Just a bit on the nose, down the center of the bridge of the nose, a bit of highlighting on the tip. And that's pretty much it. So now all we have left to do is the lips. And for lips today, I'm feeling like I want to do a nice neutral brown shade. So I'm outlining the lips with the Everlasting Lip Liner by KVD in the shade Hawk Kind, and I will be overdrawing the lips. I'm only overdrawing the top lip, not so much the lower lip. And then I'm going in with an oldie lip shade by Marc Jacobs called Moody Margot. And it's a real simple pinky nude. Just dropped my lip liner, and that is it, guys. That is the look. I went and got some highlights put in yesterday because I was feeling like I just needed to have some life put back into my hair, and really happy with the way it turned out. So guys, yeah, that is the completed look. I will show you the full completed look soon, and yeah, I'll be back. So this is the little outfit that I'm going to be wearing to the christening. This gorgeous top by Zara, and some jeans, and these cute little boots which I've had for years. So yeah, that's pretty much going to be, got little kitten heel which I have worn, which are well loved. Let's just say they are really well loved, and I'm going to be wearing those boots with the outfit. And then what I'll do, guys, I will show you the completed look after I have done my hair. And this is the completed look of what I'm going to be wearing to the christening. Just a simple top, some jeans, boots, really simple. And I feel confident. I feel like I can just relax and be myself. Don't have to worry about being up all dolled up in a dress. And this is pretty much the look. The hair, really simple. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see some more Get Ready With Me videos, let me know. Yeah, let me know, guys, what you think. I think my hair turned out pretty okay with the highlights that I did yesterday. But overall, that is the look, and let's get ourselves to a christening. Bye for now.